Let's look at integer subtraction. With integer subtraction, we may have expressions in the form of a number minus a number minus a negative number in parentheses, or a number minus a negative number outside of parentheses. And in algebra, we tend to see it written in this form and very seldom written in this form. All right, let's go over the integer subtraction rules. Number one, we're going to change the subtraction sign to an addition sign, and then we're going to change the sign of the number after the subtraction sign to its opposite. We're going to do change, change. That's what we're going to do. Once we do change, change, then we're going to follow the rules for integer addition. So we have same signs. We're going to add the numbers and keep the sign they share. And if they're unlike signs, we're going to subtract the smaller number from the larger number and keep the sign of the larger number. So we've already done these rules when we did integer addition. The only difference is for subtraction is we have to do change, change, or step number one. Okay, let's look at some examples. In the first one, I have 12 minus 7. So if I follow the rules, I need to change subtraction to addition. So I'm going to make it 12. Let's copy it over. I'm going to change subtraction to addition. And the opposite of a positive 7, because I'm looking just at this number here, this is a positive 7. The opposite of a positive 7 is a negative 7. Now I'm going to follow the rules of addition. I have different signs, so different signs I'll subtract. So 12 minus 7 would be 5. All right, in the next example, I have negative 12 minus negative 7. So I'm going to put some extra room in there. I'm going to change subtraction to addition, and the opposite of a positive 7 is a negative 7, so we're going to make that negative. Now I'm going to use my addition rules. I have same signs, both positive, so same signs, add and keep. 12 plus 7 would be 19, and you keep the negative sign because they are both negative. So that one's negative 19. All right, in my next example, I have 12 minus negative 7. So let me rewrite that one. I have 12 minus negative 7. So change, change says change subtraction to addition, and the opposite of a negative 7 is a positive 7. So we're going to change that to a positive 7. So now 12 plus 7, same signs, add and keep. They are both positive, and we know 12 plus 7 is 19, so the answer is positive 19. Now for the last one, I have negative 12 minus a negative 7. Again, I'm going to do change, change. Negative 12 minus negative 7. I'm going to change subtraction to addition, and the opposite of a negative 7 is a positive 7. So we're going to make this a positive 7. Now my problem is different signs subtract. Negative 12 plus positive 7. So different signs we subtract. 12 minus 7, and let me just come over to the side so you can see 12 minus 7 would be 5, and it's going to be a negative 5 because negative 12 is further from 0 than the positive 7.